Alright class, today we shall be talking about another fantastic topic or teaching. I'll be teaching you guys some vital things that you need to know as a graphic designer or an upcoming graphic designer. And this very topic is so important for you to know, especially if you want to know how to design or come up or create logos in Coreldraw. Alright, and Coreldraw, this is why Coreldraw is one of the most useful software in designing logos all over the globe. And I must tell you this, if you don't know how to design a logo as a graphic designer, I will advise you to watch this video from beginning to end, because this tutorial is going to teach you and you're going to learn a lot on how to design logo. Alright, so guys, if you are just joining me for the first time, I would like to click on the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like and share my tutorials to other people to learn as well. Alright, let's dive in straight to one of the logos that I'm going to use in illustrating how to design or trace out a logo from a scanned document. Alright, so let's assume that this is the logo that I want to trace out. Okay, so one of the tools that is required for us to trace out this logo is actually called shape tool. So as a designer, you must know how to use your shape tool perfectly and nice. Alright, you must know how to use them in an appropriate way, and without this shape tool you might not be able to come up with or draw out a logo that is suitable to the eye. Okay, so let's go. The first thing that is needed is your shape tool for you to cut out, navigate some lines and join some lines, curvy shape, curvy aspect of it. Now, but for the first thing that you need to do is to draw your rectangle box. Draw it. Okay, you draw it, then you start tracing. You draw it, then you start tracing. Alright, so let me put this in red line. So click on your shape tool, then go to your keyboard and click on Ctrl Q. Ctrl Q, don't forget Ctrl Q. Click on it, then you start tracing. Once you click on it, you will definitely see some changes. Alright, after you must have clicked on it, you will see some changes. Okay, let's go again. These black nodes must change to white once you curve it by pressing Ctrl Q. Alright, look at the difference. Okay, so that means that it has been curved. Then you can now start tracing. Alright, bring this here. Okay, then come to the middle of this line, right click on it, then come to curve, click on it, then drag up, then highlight this aspect, highlight it, then you will see some stroke here. Some stroke will point out, will automatically shoot out once you highlight any of this node. Okay, then you use it to drag to adjust. Okay, to adjust. Okay, all right, can you see that? You use it to adjust the shape accordingly. Okay, then you double click here again, double click here. This is the edge. Okay, this is another edge, right? Then bring it to this, drag it here, then right click again, click on to curve, then curve it in. Hope you are learning. Alright, drag it accordingly. Then you come here again to get this curvy angle. Make sure you right click on it to curve. Then it is as simple as that. Then you continue. You bring this here. Okay, curve it to curve. All right, then this is another angle. You bring this here, you double click it, then this angle, you double click it, this is another angle, then you curve it to get the shape of the mouth. Then this also, you curve it, adjust. Okay, adjust. See, adjust it to balance it up. So this is it. Then you come here, double click on it to delete, or click on it and press delete. Then you come to the middle, right click and click on to curve. Then this angle has been gotten. It is as simple as this. Then you move to the next you move to the next shape. Come to your rectangle tool, click on it, then drag it out. Then go to control sorry guys, go to control key, press it to curve it, then come to this angle, double click this middle side, come here, then bring this to this. So you've gotten how many angles? 1, 2, 3. Don't forget, we want to trace out this shape and get something exact. All right, hope you can see this. Then we have another angle here. You have to double click this area. Okay, then bring it in, drag it in, then come here and click to curve. Then you curve it. The same thing with this. Click here, right click, then press to curve, then drag it out. Then we have another angle here. You come to this middle side, double click on it, drag it in, then to curve. Okay, then the same thing here. You click on this, right click to curve. Okay, then you come here, click here, right click to curve. You adjust it from this angle, then you adjust it till you get this right. Okay, all right. Keep dragging. Keep adjusting till it gets to the appropriate shape. Okay. 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 So you've gotten these aspects. You've gotten this aspect. Then this angle. Then you draw out this rectangle. Alright, Control Q, and you delete that and pop this in. The same thing here. Use this. So this is how you can actually trace out an object from the original copy. Hope you guys have really learned from this class. Alright, I'll be teaching you guys on how to trace out pictures in my next class again, just for you to learn as a graphic artist and the benefit of which you are here. So guys, I will meet you in my next class. Bye for now and God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.